guys, Miss G here. So today I'm going to be going over our first unit for our class, which is contour line and doing contour drawings. So this is kind of a start into sketching and drawing what we're seeing and looking into outline and form, which we're going to be focusing on in our observational still lifes. So I'm making this video today as a video demo lesson that you can go back and look at when we're learning about contour line and doing our assignments about that. Great, so here I have an image of contour line. So what contour lines are is they're the lines that define the outline of a form. So a form being an object, a 3D form, without the use of shading. So if you can see from the outlines here, it is just focusing on the outer edge outline of the form itself, the exterior of it, and also the interior, so the different sections of objects. So if you look here, not only do we have the outline of these objects, we also have some contour lines of the edges, the highlight and shadow, and that type of thing. So here are some examples for you guys to see here. And again, we have our definition, but now I'm going to be doing a little video tutorial for some contour line drawings, excuse me. So yeah, let's get into that. So the first thing I want to go over is how do I observe contour line from real life? So when we are observing our object in real life, for the contour line, we're going to be looking at those outline edges of the object. So you can see here I am pointing at those with my pen here. After that, the next thing I would like you to do is measure with your eyes and your pencils. So the way I would like to show you guys how to do that is by holding up your pencil to your object when you're looking at it. You can use your pencil kind of as a ruler to see how tall or wide things should be. So as you can see here, my apple was taller than it is wider, so that's just something I'm going to keep in mind when I'm drawing my contour drawing, which I'm doing now. So the way I like to start is just with one little section. So here with this apple, I started with the stem, and then I'm following along with my eye and tracing the outer edge and following those movements with my eye. So you can see here when I'm following the edge of the apple, I'm looking for all those little nuances in the curve. I'm trying to follow along with them from what I'm observing. What I'm not doing is just filling it in with a round line, making that up because that's what I think an apple should look like in my head. I'm actually seeing what this apple in particular is like. So now I'm going into the interior contour. So this apple has a bite taken out of it, so I am following the outline of that as well, and you can see here that there is kind of a rough torn edge, so I'm drawing that in too because that is what I'm actually observing here in real life. After we have those larger contour lines, I'm going in just with some light impressions and details. Again, I'm not shading or anything. I'm just kind of using the line to block in the details and the edges of shadows or highlights. If you're drawing something shiny, you might see shapes of light or shadow or other details like that that you can add in. here's the finished apple example. Again, I'm doing the exterior contour line and the interior contour lines straight from life, trying to get all those little details. Next, I'm just going to play a fast-forwarded video of me following the same process with a glass. This glass has a little bit more detail with the logo, and I also draw in the shadows and highlights, so I'll let you guys check this out and you can follow my process. Awesome, thanks so much for following along. I hope you guys check out this video in the future for a refresher, and yeah, happy drawing.